Okay, all right. So today, for our lesson, we're just going to practice on what we learned yesterday. Okay, so yeah, the way I want to do this is, you know what? I'll just explain to you during lesson. Okay, let's go. Okay, all right. So I think the best way for us to go about this is for me to do one and then have you guys practice with one, show you one, practice with one. I think that's the best way to go. Okay, because there's like a ton of questions on this today, and I want to make sure you get a chance to see it. Because there's so many questions that means you're guaranteed to see it on the regions. Okay, so let's take a look. Now, this first one, I'll do that with you. Okay, so if you want to copy down the question. Now, here we have a inequality with variables on both sides. See that? So right off the bat, we're gonna have to distribute. So here we have 5x minus 2 is greater than 3x minus 3. Okay, just gonna subtract and divide. Now, not all of these inequality questions have negative coefficients, okay? But some of the questions certainly will. So let's just solve some of these. All right, let's see. So that's 2x greater than, what is that, negative 1 divided by 2. Okay, I'm like looking at the answers here. Like it's hard to tell which one is happening. Let me double check. Hold on. Subtract 3x, that's 2x minus 2 greater than negative 3, plus 2, yeah, negative 1 over 2, yeah, negative 1 over 2. Now, arrow has to go to the right, so that eliminates A and D, right? So I'm left with B and C, open circle, right? Open circle. Okay, now how do you write this in interval notation? So you notice how I'm asking you to write interval notation, so let's write that. How will I do that? Let's see. Negative half, well, there's a graph, negative half and beyond, right? So negative 1/2 and beyond, open circle, infinity. Okay? All right. Now, let's see. Press pause and try the second one. Let me use a different color. Press pause and try the second one right now. Okay, so hold on, let me get ready. All right, when you're done, I'll come back with the answer. Okay, so press pause right now. Okay, all right, and we're back. So in the red ink, all right, I did the work, and there's the answer, okay? And I also wrote it in interval notation. Okay, all right, let's see what's next. I think we should try these, because these three are related. So let's look at this one on the right. So here we got which value of x? So we got to solve it first, and then I want to talk to you about solution set. Okay, even though we briefly spoken about solution sets, right? Or sets. So let's rewrite this. So let's see. All right, greater than equal to, what is that, 6? Yep. Now, careful here, right? I'm dividing by both sides by a negative coefficient. So that's negative 2. Flip the symbol. There you go. Okay. Now, let me write this as a interval notation. So what is that? Negative less than negative 2. So it's negative infinity and negative 2. So infinity is parentheses. This is bracket because this is equal to also. Okay. Now, what does that even mean? Now, so the question is this: which one of these 4 choices would fit into this answer or this answer? Same thing, right? So which one is going to be, which one of these numbers is less than or equal to 2? That's it. That's all it's saying. Okay, which one? Yeah, the first one, right? Negative 3 is less than or equal to negative 2, right? The rest of these aren't. Okay, with that said, try the next 2. All right, so these 2, hold on. Try this one and then this one. Try these 2 right now. So hold on. I'll leave the examples up here. Okay, all right, so press pause right now. And we're back, okay? Now, those are the 2 answers. Here I wrote plus because I made a mistake. I didn't write the negative here, so I end up getting a negative, but that's not true, okay? Because negative divided by negative is a positive, so I just changed that. Okay, all right, so if you want to go over that, press pause, but otherwise we're gonna keep going. Yep, okay, all right. Now let's see, what are we looking at here? I would like you to try this actually. So I would like you to try just this one right now, and then we'll worry about the rest. Okay, so try this one right now. Okay, so on this one, if you get this, that's fantastic. Okay, let me write it in interval notation. Now, the question is find the smallest integer. There's only one number, right? I mean, you can't use decimals. That's what they're saying. Find the smallest integer that makes this true. So what's the smallest number that is bigger than -1? Yeah, 0, right? Okay, all right, now let's see how we're doing here. I think you can actually try all these on your own. Hold on. Wow, there's so many questions here. Okay, oh, these two are together. Actually, then, you know what? Having said that, try, you know what? I'm just gonna pick and choose because I don't think you need to be able to do like everything. We don't need to do everything together. That's what I meant. So let's see, hold on. Let me press pause and make a determination. Okay, so all you have to do is do the 3 in the green checks, and then that's it. The rest I'm gonna work on it in class with you guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, so press pause right now, and when you come back, I'll show you the answers. Okay, so press pause right now. Okay, all right, so here are my 3 answers. Now, the only thing I gotta say about the first one is positive integers. 0 is not a positive integer. So you can only be 1, 2, 3, right? Because then anything less than 4 after that becomes negative or 0, all right? This is the second one, all right? Again, notice how I keep writing the notations, okay? It's just great practice, okay? So yeah, that's it. Okay, all right, I'm gonna sign off here, and then, because I think you got the rest of this. If you really want to, if you really want to on your own, you can try these. This one, try one of these, and then try this, which is similar to this one anyways. So yeah, so if you want to on your own, you can do the 3 purple check marks, okay? All right, by the way, this is 2 questions, so this is one of them, okay? And that's it. All right, I'm gonna sign off here, all right? Thanks for watching, have a good day, and talk to you later. Bye-bye. OMG, that was so good.